Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to disable geolocation in Mozilla Firefox in Windows 11. You may have noticed that whenever you visit any website which requires access to your location for the first time, you will see your browser saying that this website requires access to your location. We have the option to allow or disallow access, but we normally allow this. When you allow access, your IP address along with your device details, MAC address, etc. can be sent. These details are saved in cookies. Other websites will not be able to access this data. Only the website you've given access to. Open Firefox. Type about:config in the address line. Press Enter to go. Click on Accept Risk and Continue. Go to the search line. Type geo.enabled. Click on the line's icon to disable the option. It will switch from true to false. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!